Hello everyone, my name is Giacomo De Santis. Today I'll be showing you how to make elephant toothpaste. For this experiment you'll need the chemicals hydrogen peroxide and potassium iodide. You will also need some washing up liquid or soap. You will need the equipment and the extra large measuring cylinder and 2 beakers. Hydrogen peroxide is a particularly unpleasant chemical because it is an irritant. So for this experiment I'll be wearing gloves, and as for all experiments, safety goggles. After the experiment you must remember not to touch any of the bubbles produced. This experiment is exothermic, meaning it gives off a lot of heat. If you touch the bubbles, your fingers will become the color, burning them. Potassium iodide is a catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. Firstly, you have to put the soap inside. I will also add some red food coloring to add in some color to the paste produced. Now I will add the potassium iodide. You have to remember before you do the last bit, which is putting the hydrogen peroxide inside, to stand back because the experiment is exothermic, meaning it will give off a lot of heat. Here we go. You can see the smoke coming off. The bubbles produced are oxygen trapped by the soap.